Hey and welcome to module 2.6, how to set up a main menu. And in this video you're about to discover how to set up a little hamburger menu that is located in the lower bottom of your chatbot that allows your subscribers to easily navigate through your chatbot. Right here in the example you see right in front of you, you can see that there is a little hamburger menu at the lower right corner of the messenger setup. And once people click on this, this will reveal the menu you've set up. In this case, this is the menu of one of the chatbot templates we got going on inside Clever Messenger. And once they click on those menu items, it either takes them to a website, it reveals more about this specific template. This too has multiple use cases. For example, you can use it to showcase opening hours, start a live chat, or anything of that nature. So very cool stuff, because this allows people to better navigate through your chatbots and overall deliver a better experience. Now, without further ado, let's get started. And just like that, we're inside Clever Messenger again, and in this video you are going to discover how to set up a main menu, a little hamburger menu inside the Messenger application. Now all you need to do in order to set up your main menu is basically clicking on the cogwheel right there, clicking on dashboard, and then on the left when you hover over the magical wand and click it, you can see main menu. Now let's click on it, and this redirects us to the main menu manager. Clever Messenger actually allows you to create multiple main menus based on the user or subscriber's language they set up inside their Facebook profile. However, we always need to create a main menu that covers all languages. So whenever a person didn't set up a proper language inside their Facebook group, it always shows the default main menu, the all languages main menu. And that's the main menu we are going to set up right now. And all you need to do in order to start this process is clicking create new right here. And as you can see right here, we can only choose to set up a all languages menu first. Again, as explained earlier, this is the one we always need to set up. So in the event you are going to set up another menu for a different language, people can always revert back to an all language menu if they didn't set up their language correctly inside Facebook. This means that once you have set up the all languages menu, you can simply go in and create another one again. And this is when all the other languages open up for you. Right now, we are going to keep things simple and we are going to create a main menu for all languages. So I'm going to select that and click on create. This redirects us to the main menu builder, and on the right we immediately see that there is a preview. We see some other stuff right here where we can toggle some options on or off as well. For example, let me just take you from the top. We can actually choose right here from the main menu settings to disable any user input. So if you were to toggle this button, you basically prohibit people from sending text messages to your chatbot and basically force them to use buttons. Some people actually like to give their subscribers only access to buttons because that kind of forces them through the chatbot using buttons only. However, we over at Clever Messenger actually like to use text as well, as we also use it for support purposes. Then as the second item right here where it says disable menu in customer chat, you can actually set up a customer chat widget on your website, and some people actually prefer it to disable the menu on the customer chat widget as well. Toggling it will basically disable the entire menu on the customer chat widget, and it will not show on the widget you place on your website. Then put your attention on the right here. There is another toggle button, and right now this is enabled, meaning that anything we are going to add right here in terms of menu items is immediately reflected on the Messenger side of things or the Facebook side of things. If you would like to temporarily or entirely disable the menu, you can simply toggle this switch right here and it will be disabled. Now, moving on, we are going to simply create a menu right now. And all we need to do in order to start the process is clicking on this button right here where it says add menu item. There we go. And this opens up this form right here. Let's keep things simple for now and let's add a menu item, which is a link. Let's just link back to our website right here, clevermessenger.com. Make sure it is HTTPS Right here we have the web view size. We can actually change the web view and change how it actually looks on the mobile side of things. However, I like to have a full web view size, because if we are going to send people over to the website, you might as well give them the full overview, as it doesn't make sense to use the smaller one right here for an entire website. For the SDK stuff, that is for advanced users only, and that's something we're going to keep at false right now. I'm going to save it right here. There we go. And let me just add something right here. Let's say powered by Clever Messenger, something like that. And as you can see on the right end of the screen, you can see that it's actually being updated. So let me just search for a cool little emoji right here. There we go. I think this should be fine. A little lightning bolt right there where it says powered by Clever Messenger. If they click on the link inside a mobile device, it will open up inside the Messenger browser. However, if you open it on the desktop side of things, it will actually open up in a new tab. Now moving on, we are going to add a new menu item right here, and we are going to call that Start Over. So whenever a person or subscriber is lost inside your chatbot, they can simply go to the main menu and click on Start Over to get right back at the top of the chatbot's conversation. We find that a lot of subscribers on our chatbots actually find this useful because sometimes our flows are that elaborate and really go that deep that they sometimes lose the oversight, and they simply want to start over in order to get to another item inside the flows faster. So I'm going to link this specific item to a message, and this is going to be a flow, and we're going to link this to the welcome message we created earlier in this training. There we go. Save it. There we go. And now I simply want to change the order. I want to have Start Over shown above the Powered by Clever Messenger setup. So all I need to do is basically click right here and move that to the top. And as you can see, it's updated on the left, updated on the right, and it looks fine. Now, we got a nifty little feature inside Clever Messenger right here. Once you actually select a flow or message you would like to send out on the menu item click, you can hover over this label right here, and the preview actually gets filled out with the message that you actually selected, giving you a quick overview on the message you actually selected, a preview if you will, immediately seeing if this was the right message you would like to send over. All looks fine right here. And that's basically it for this main menu. I think we kept it very, very simple. And right now, all there is left is basically saving this main menu by clicking on Save. There we go. And what we are going to do right now, we are going to simply right click right here and open this up in a new tab. This opens up Messenger, and we are going to preview the main menu on Messenger right now. Alright, cool. So this is exactly how we left the conversation in the last video. Basically the default reply and the subscriber that needs help or attention notification right here. Right now one thing changed, and this thing is right here. It's that hamburger menu I was talking about in the last video and in this video as well. Now this is actually the main menu. There we go. And as we click on it, we can see that our items we actually specified inside Clever Messenger are now popping up right here. So what we can do right now is basically start over the chatbot as we linked it back to the welcome message. So let me do that right now. There we go. There we go. And it starts over with the welcome message again. It says, Stefan, welcome to the most awesome chatbot experience. And now your subscribers actually get to the top of the conversation again. And in this way, they can get to items in other parts of your flows you are going to build out faster. And this button right here, we are not going to preview. This actually takes us back to the Clever Messenger website. But yeah, if you were to click on this button, you would be redirected to the Clever Messenger website, or any URL for that matter you specify inside the main menu. Now moving back right here to the main menu item, there you go. Now let's go to the menu lists right here. We can see that the all languages menu has been created, and we can actually edit or delete it from this tab right here. Now, if I were to create a new one right here, I can now actually choose from all the other languages Facebook actually provides, and I can set up a main menu specifically for those people that meet that criteria. For example, if a person is from Spain, we are going to select Espanol right here, are going to create a new menu item for this specific language, and everyone that has set up their language to Spanish inside their Facebook profile will actually get this menu item right here you are going to create from scratch. Now, with that said, we are going to keep things simple. We have now created a simple main menu, and that's basically it for this video. Creating a main menu is very, very easy, as you've just seen. And that concludes the video for setting up a main menu.